Welcome to ScholarMatics. So today we are going to be treating how to use the Cramer Rule to find the unknowns of simultaneous equations. The simultaneous equations we have here is 2x equal to 12 minus 3y and x minus 5y equal to minus 7. So how do we use the Cramer Rule to find the unknown of this simultaneous equation? The first thing we're going to do is to make sure the equations are arranged in the same way. In the first equation, 2x equal to 12 minus 3y, we see that 2x is in the left hand side and the unknown x is in the left hand side and the unknown y is in the right hand side. While in the second equation, we see that x and y are both in the left hand side while the constant is in the right hand side. So it's either we arrange the equations following one of the patterns. So I will go with the second equation pattern where the unknowns are both in the left hand side. So we would have 2x plus 3y equal to 12 and x minus 5y equal to minus 7. So now we have both of the unknowns in the left hand side. So the next thing to do is to arrange the elements of the matrix. So using this format to arrange the equation is the best. Allowing the two unknowns to be at the left hand side is the best way to arrange the equations. That is x, y, then constant, x, y, then constant. So the way it is here, we are just going to pick the coefficients of the variables and the constant. So we have 2, 3, 12 and 1 minus 5 minus 7. So with the coefficients with the variables at the center, we have x and we have y. Let me arrange that properly. So this is how we arrange it. So the next step now is to look for determinants. So Cramer's rule makes use of determinant. Just imagine that this is column 1, this is column 2, and this is column 3. You should know that our first determinant is going to be 1, 2 column. Our second determinant is going to be 3, 2 column. And our third determinant is going to be 1, 3 column. Okay, so I want you to get familiar with this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3. So the first pattern 1, 2, that will be for our determinant A. The second pattern 3, 2, that will be for our determinant X. And the third pattern 1, 3, that will be for our determinant Y. So let's go on to bring out the elements. For the first determinant A, that will be equal to 1, 2. So we have 2 column 1 and column 2, 3 minus 5. So the determinant of this is 2 multiplied by minus 5, that is minus 10, subtracted from 3 multiplied by 1, that is 3. Hope you are familiar with that. It's just multiplying diagonally. 2 multiplied by minus 5 subtracted from 3 multiplied by 1. So minus 10 minus 3, that should give us minus 13. So our determinant A is equal to minus 13. So the next is our determinant X. So our determinant X from here would be 3 and 2, column 3 and column 2. So drawing column 3 and column 2, we are going to have 12 minus 7 and 3 minus 5. So what is the determinant of this? So the determinant of this of X here is going to be 12 multiplied by minus 5 diagonally, subtracted 12 multiplied by minus 5, taking away 3 multiplied by minus 7. So 12 multiplied by minus 5, that is minus 60. Then take away 3 multiplied by minus 7, that is minus 21. So minus 60 minus 21, this is minus 60 plus 21. And that is minus 39. So our determinant X is minus 39. So our determinant Y now, according to the pattern here, is 1 and 3. So determinant Y. So 1 and 3, column 1 and column 3, that is 2, 1, then 12 minus 7. So we would have 2, 1, then 12, then 12, and minus 7. So the determinant of this should be 2 multiplied by minus 7, that is minus 14, subtracted from 12 multiplied by 1, that is 12. So minus 14 minus 12 is minus 26. So now that we have our determinants, how do we get the value of X and Y? To get the value of X, the value of X would be determinant X over determinant A. So determinant X was minus 39 and determinant A was minus 13. So minus 39 divided by minus 13, so that is 3. So X is 3. So the value for X in this equation is 3. Determinant Y, to get Y is also the same thing, that is determinant Y over determinant A. So Y equal to determinant Y over determinant A. So determinant Y was minus 26 over minus 13. So here we have 2. So for this equation, X is 3 and Y is 2. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up also. Bye bye.